Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a new email address on Facebook. Open the Facebook app. Tap the menu button. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. At the top, tap See More in Account Center. Tap Profiles and Personal Details. Scroll down. Tap Contact Info. Add a new email address. Tap Add Email. Enter your new email address. Tap Done, and then Next. Verify the email address. Facebook will send a verification code to the new email address. Open your email inbox. Enter the verification code to confirm the email. If you receive an error, if Facebook says the email address cannot be used, try a different email address. Alternatively, you can use a mobile number instead. Complete the process. After verification, the new email address will be added to your account. Result, your new email address will be successfully linked to your Facebook account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.